Not all packaging companies or methods are created equal. Some offer different solutions than others, serve different industries, use different materials. Here are some myths about the packaging world that we're going to set straight for you in hopes that you make the right decisions when it comes to your packaging. Myth number 1. Packaging adds to waste. Most packaging materials and products today are recyclable or eco-friendly. It adds to waste because people don't recycle properly, or they litter and don't dispose of it correctly. In fact, sustainable packaging helps to streamline packaging design, eliminate unnecessary materials, and create less waste. Take banding for an example. Banding takes the place of bulky or excessive materials like cardboard sleeves, shrink wrap, poly bags, among other materials, using a simple paper or film band, alleviating the guilt associated with creating waste. Myth number 2. Packaging is unnecessary. The primary function of packaging is to protect, whether it's in production, transportation, distribution, or on the shelves. A world without packaging would mean that no liquids, gels, or powders would be available. You wouldn't be able to purchase fruits and vegetables out of season, and you would either have to grow your own food or buy it daily. Now, a product may have excess packaging that isn't necessary. It's a matter of determining the least amount of packaging your product requires in order to maintain its integrity. Myth number 3. Only costly packaging will help with branding. Let us introduce you to branding with banding. This is a concept that allows you to brand your product with an imprinted band. It's the smartest way to bundle, label, and multi-pack. Printed material is available in widths up to 100 millimeters or 4 inches. With that amount of space, you can easily brand your product while safely bundling it at the same time. Branding with banding allows you to replace cumbersome, wasteful materials with the clean, simple, and attractive band that is imprinted with your custom design. Labeling with banding is also the most cost-effective option. Tightly securing your product with zero damage or residue means less packaging materials used and zero waste from damaged products. Remember, 1/3 of consumer decisions are made based on products' packaging. Give your consumers an experience to remember. Myth number 4. Sustainable packaging is too expensive. You might be spending more upfront for a sustainable solution, but that's only because conventional packaging is produced on a much larger scale. Sustainable packaging is a high-value asset to have. Think about what it says to your customers about your brand. Consumers are aware of environmental needs, and data shows that the majority of consumers feel companies should invest more resources to improve the environment and are even willing to pay more to purchase from sustainable brands. Making an effort to decrease your footprint doesn't just show consumers your goal to be green, it also makes your brand much more desirable. Sustainable packaging solutions, such as ATS banding equipment, aren't susceptible to environmental fluctuations like the price of oil, whereas standard plastic is. In the long run, you'll reap the benefits of saving money on the price per package. Now that we've debunked these common packaging myths for you, hopefully you can feel comfortable making the right packaging decisions.